Hi, beauties. Look at this. It's lash clusters. It comes with an applicator. It comes with a lash glue. Also comes with a sealant, with clusters. It's amazing, and it comes in a very nice, this metallic packaging. We need to follow the steps that are here at the back, but first we need to curl our lashes, and then we're going to apply the glue, then we're going to apply the clusters, and then we're going to apply the sealant. So let's go ahead and do it. Here I am like curling my natural lashes. I've made sure that they are clean. You don't need to wear mascara first. No, they need to be completely clean. You need to curl them. And 1, 2, 3. And ooh, gorgeous. So here I applied the curling. So those are my lashes before I apply the cluster. This is the box. It comes with the applicator. This is the bond and the seal, bond and seal. And this is the bond remover. This is like really essential because most brands don't send the remover, and the eyelashes stay like sticky for days. And a small amount goes a long way, so you don't need to apply a lot. Just make sure you are applying this thin layer of the bond. Then you're gonna use this to grab the lashes. I'm gonna go with long lashes from the side and shorter in the middle. So you grab it from down here. Don't grab it from up, otherwise it's gonna ruin your lashes. And you lift your lashes and you put it away from your eyelid, okay? Not very close to the eyelid, but on the lash. Let's do that. Let's do it. So once you apply it, wow, this is nice. You just like press on it so it stays, it sticks. Wow, nice. Look at this. This is only one. I've applied the second one. I'm going to press. This curvy like applicator makes it super simple and easy, but look at this. Wow. Look at this. Gorgeous. I love it. And I'm going to do the other eye and then show you the final result. I'm so excited. Here is the final look. Amazing. I really love it, and I highly recommend this brand. It's called Shy brand. I highly recommend it. Thank you for watching.